Hello everyone, this is Sean. Today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the Ruger Security-9. To start, press the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, pull the slide to the rear and make sure that the weapon is empty. If you have a safety, make sure that it's set to fire because you might need to move the slide. Using a 9mm casing or another tool, pull the slide slightly to the rear and work the rim of the casing underneath this takedown pin to lever it out. Once you have it up, pull it all the way free, set it to the side. Here, you can release the slide all the way off, set the frame to the side. Now compress the recoil spring and pull it out. Push the barrel down and pull it back through the slide. For more information on concealed carry handguns, head over to pewpewtactical.com and check out our guide. The link is in the description below. This completes the takedown. Let's put it back together. Start with the slide and reinsert the barrel through the front of the muzzle. Make sure that the lug is up and pull this barrel back until it seats into place. Next, with the open end forward, push the recoil spring into the front of the slide and compress it and push it down until it seats on the lug of the barrel. From here, line up the rails with the grooves in the slide and pull the slide back. When you've gotten this far, you need to take the pin and make sure that the slot is facing up. Line up the slide with the frame and drop the pin back in. You may need to wiggle the slide back and forth just a little bit to make sure that the pin seats. This completes reassembly. Let's function test. Pointing the weapon in a safe direction, press the trigger and hold it down. Rack the slide while holding down the trigger. Release the trigger to test reset. Once this is established, you can press the trigger again. Final test, reinsert the magazine. Pull the slide to the rear to test for last round hold open. This weapon is functioning fine. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the Ruger Security-9. For more information, head over to pewpewtactical.com. Your definitive source for gear, guides, gun reviews, and all things that go bang.